Hello everyone! Welcome back to our 28-day free English learning course. Today is day 24, and in this lesson, we will learn how to remember new English words easily. Vocabulary is one of the most important parts of learning English. If you know more words, you can speak clearly, understand conversations better, and express your ideas with confidence. However, many learners have the same problem. They learn new words today, but forget them after a few days. So in this lesson, I will share simple and powerful techniques to remember new words for a long time. Let's begin. First, learn words in context. Instead of memorizing only the meaning of a word, learn it in a sentence or situation. For example, the word elated means very happy. She felt elated after hearing the good news. When you learn words inside sentences, your brain connects them with real situations, making them easier to remember. Second, use words in daily life. Try to use new vocabulary when speaking with friends, writing messages, or keeping a diary. If you learn the word improve, you can say, "I want to improve my English speaking skills." Using words regularly helps your brain remember them naturally. Third, repeat words regularly. Repetition is very important for memory. When you learn a new word, review it after 1 day, after 3 days, after 1 week. This helps move the word from short-term memory to long-term memory. Fourth, create word associations. You can connect new words with pictures, emotions, or familiar ideas. For example, the word diligent means hardworking. Imagine a student studying late at night. This mental picture helps your brain remember the word faster. Fifth, keep a vocabulary notebook. Write down the word, its meaning, and an example sentence. Word, confident. Meaning, feeling sure about yourself. Sentence, she feels confident when speaking English. Reviewing your vocabulary notebook regularly will strengthen your memory. Sixth, practice with simple sentences. Creating your own sentences helps you understand how the word is used. Word, opportunity. Sentence, learning. English creates many opportunities. Speaking and writing sentences makes vocabulary more natural and easier to remember. Seventh, review vocabulary before sleeping. Research shows that when you review information before sleep, the brain processes and stores it better. Even 5 minutes of review before bed can improve memory. Finally, stay consistent. Do not try to learn too many words at once. Instead, learn about 5 new words every day. Small daily practice will help you build a strong vocabulary over time. Remember, learning English vocabulary is not about speed. It is about practice, repetition, and consistency. If you follow these simple techniques, remembering new words will become much easier. Thank you for watching day 24 of our 28-day free English course. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to visit english.humanityuapd.com for more free English learning lessons. See you in the next lesson.